Hi, today is Sunday, the 7th day of October 2024, about 1:20 or so in the afternoon. I am standing in downtown Columbia, Tennessee at the center of town, and that's part of the square. And this here is truly a part of it that goes around. So that's a quarter of it right there, but what I really want to show you is this right here, which is this big courthouse. Take a look at this thing. It's pretty tall. Got really beautiful columns there. And see, there's that side. There's that side. So you got that. I want to show you some of these pretty flowers that they've got. Check these out. Aren't those good looking? I like them. They've got this little fall set up here. And then more of these flowers. And then they got these little fake sunflowers here. But there you get a good sense of it. And as I turn this way, here's another quarter of the square right here. So I just want to show you that. So we like that. Here's more of this fall stuff right here. More of the beautiful flowers you can see. So I've got this dressed up. And right here they got a memorial. It says honoring all who served in an everlasting memory of those from Maury County who made the supreme sacrifice in World War I and II, Korean War, Vietnam, Grenada, Lebanon, Panama Canal, and Persian Gulf is what it says at the bottom. And you see it says Blue Star Memorial right there, and more of the beautiful flowers. But back there in that corner is Pie Sensations. I don't know about you, that sounds pretty sensational to me. Now over here, you can see, is another quarter of the town square. Now here's what this looks like from the side. The sides, of course, are not as decorative, but the other side, I believe, is the same as the front side I showed you. Here, look here. Doesn't that make it look like you're in San Francisco? That's a fairly steep hill going down out of town there. Over there in the corner is Puckett's, it says. It's pretty warm today. It's up in the high 80s. And the humidity's pretty much up. I'm feeling that. Just to give you a little weather report. But there's more of this square you can see. And over here would be the final quarter of it. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go across the street and I'll show you the courthouse from a little bit back further. So let's go over there. Okay, I should be getting all of the courthouse now. It's a little bit dark, but it should look a little bit better once I see this on my computer screen. But you can see it's got the same columns, same clock up there and everything. Very nice. There's a yellow FJ going by us, so that's cool to see. So we'll go around this way to go finish the tour and show you that. All right, so to finish out this town square, look at this. They've got not one fountain, but right there you see they have another one. There's two fountains right across from one another. Now how cool is that? I'm actually parked right over there. We came from up there. Here is this side of the courthouse, just to give you the final side. And then that over there is where we started, but let's go walk over there. All right, if you're a history buff and war, over here on the left they've got War of 1812. They've got the Alamo, even though this is Tennessee. They got the Mexican War, and then they've got the Civil War. And here, I'll give you just a quick glance. Some of the names. You see the War of 1812. Down here's the Alamo and the Mexican War. Only one person in that one. And then the Civil War. The rest of this is all Civil War names. So here, I'll show you a few just up close here. Okay, so there you go. So over here we have another. Here is the Vietnam War. This is World War I here on this end. These couple of columns. World War II has got over 3 columns. The Korean War is down there. The Vietnam War is this one. Afghanistan's at the bottom with one guy, Andrew Carpenter, and active duty deaths, Clayton Marshall Hickman, Douglas Vick, and Jeffrey Lewis Williams. Okay, and here, the Major General William E. Potts Veterans Memorial Plaza, named in honor of Columbia native M.G. William E. Billy Potts, USA 36 to 2004. So there you go. Pretty neat. And then we're right back. Right out there is where I started this video at, or at least this part of downtown. And this right here says, "Who fought and died in freedom's cause." Here's what that says across the top, and then here's more names. Hard to see, I know. But here, run you across a few of these. Alright, so I hope you like that tour. So there's that, and that is downtown Columbia, Tennessee. Hope you liked it. Okay, so just a little bit out of downtown, I'm walking along, and you see Columbia Motor Alley, it says over there. And check this out. It's got this old Texaco sign here. That's pretty neat. Got these old pumps. And of course that truck that says Columbia Motor Alley. Phone 1862. And here you go. This sale. 0 amount and 0 gallons, 40 cents a gallon. And that's American regular. Here's American super premium. Again, it's cheaper for some reason at 26 cents. Pretty cool. Check out the truck and that spare tire. There's your good shot of it right there. Seen the bed of it. It's got a little rust going on. And then over here, look, they got these, that says washing up there, lubrication over there, and they're both lit up. Genuine Chevy parts. Got a bunch of bicycles in here. Here, check this out. Yeah, all those bicycles, and check that out, a Honda moped there, looks like. See, get you a better shot of it. Yeah, right there. That Fisk sign over there. Coca-Cola back on that back wall, and a Thai doll. Is that what that sign says? I can't read the whole thing. It's blocked. And look at that old motorcycle here. Let's go check this out. Got an old chair in there. Generator, I see. Here you go. Check this out. Pride of Munachi or something. I don't know. What do you think? And then there's an Esso sign. 1894. Check that out. It's probably original from this building. Alright. So that was a nice little find, wouldn't it? I like it. Hope you did. I took a couple of pictures of this Cybertruck here, but check this out. They've had this thing painted I don't know if you call it red, maroon, something like purple. I'm not sure. But there it is from the back, and there's from the side. Pretty crazy looking, huh? All right, take a look at this. You might want to pause it and read it, and you might figure out where I'm at. All right, you want to pause that and read that, but you'll see that as a young man, he spent some time here in this house, but his parents actually owned it. James K. Polk. Check that out. That's the whole house. Coming in pretty good, considering the sun's right up there and sort of blinding. I'll show you as much as I can, so hold on with me. Okay, so this sign tells you the Polk Home Visitor Center, and it's this building right here. So I don't know if this was just built to look like the house, or if it was a part of it, or what. But you see they got some nice little decorations there. And it says a museum shop down here. Oh, okay, here we go. So there you go, garden hours. Got a nice little porch. Good looking place. So I like this part of it. Look at this yard. And this nice brick wall right here. It comes all the way out here to the sidewalk right there on the corner. Alright, let's go see the house. I was coming back where I was. There's a fountain back there in that yard. You can see that sign I showed you a minute ago. But you see this up here. It says ancestral home with James K. Polk, 1816 to 1845. What that's saying. And you can see that fountain I was talking about right there. Looks like they maybe have some bathrooms right back here. And not bad. I do like the fountain. That's pretty cool. Sounds good, you know, all this traffic and everything. Oh yeah, and I'm parked right out there. So we can see the back side of the house here. There you go, that's pretty nice. You know, got this brick building right here. That was probably a separate kitchen. A lot of times how these old houses were built, the kitchens were separate. So when they burnt down, nothing else did. But isn't this a nice place to sit? And a squirrel right there. Nice place to go. Okay, now this gorgeous house right here in front of us, this was not my target. But this is beside my target, what I was coming after. And here, there's no traffic. Get these lines out of here. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, this thing really makes a statement, doesn't it? Alright, let's move on to my target. Okay, this was my target. This is called the Athenaeum. This is on the Civil War Trail by that sign over there. So, I'm not sure of its history, to be honest with you. I just saw it as a place to visit here. I thought I'd come to it. But look at how it's made up there. Pretty cool. And look at this porch. It comes all the way on this side. And up on that side. I'm going to lift you up so you can see more than me, okay? How did that look? I hope you got to see some nice porch there, because I haven't seen it yet until I edit this thing. Okay, so hopefully you appreciate this place, and let's go on and see what else we can find. Okay, now you're going to want to pause this and read this, and then we got to continue on the other side. So pause it, read it, and let's go to the other side over here. pause that and read that, and you can see this is the reason why I'm here. This is a very small little thing, but I'm going to show this to you, okay? So let's go with it. Starting right here, right by the sign, you see this one. This says duty, and she's got a couple of benches. There's a little fire plaque, Billy Ray King, 1965-1997. So there you go. Pretty neat little symbol, huh? Over here says honor, so like that. Milliken gives, growing stronger roots in our community. Over here on this corner we have trust, so there's that. Finally, in this corner we have integrity right there. Okay, now let me show you this wall out here. Here it is. Has a wide shot. I believe it's got stuff on both sides of it, so you can see. It's not a chronological thing, because you checked in the middle. That'd be really kind of where it started. And you can see all this down here. Alright, let's go to the other side of the wall. So you can see on this side, it's just Columbia Arts District, and it's got that mule there, because this place is known as Mule Town. Something to do with mules, but I'm not sure about either. Alright, let's go look at something else. Okay, they have this little fish thing here, made out of metal. These flowers and things. You see his tail. Okay, so this is called Steel Gill by Ricky Artie Sculptures. Please do not climb on it. Well, I don't plan on it. And here it is from the other side. You can see his big old eye there. And then they've got this wavy place to sit. Alright, and then we'll go back here and we'll look at the last thing that I see. Alright, so check out this walk here. You know, it took some effort to make this with all these bricks and this concrete here. But check out this. It's like a little covered area. This is the Firefighters Park Pavilion. So if you look at that, you can see that. And right there, Columbia Fire and Rescue, established 1868, Tennessee. And then they just got that wall back there. And no loitering in the park after 10 p.m. So as I turn around, you can see the sidewalk that came up. And that's the whole park. That's everything that's here. So, what do you think about that? It's very, very small. This is really smaller than I thought it was going to be online. But it serves its purpose. It does what it does. It fulfills its goal. Alright, let's move on to the next place we're going to look at in Columbia. And I might be wrong, but I think it's the last place. But let's go take a look and see.